Hi, my name is Pawan Kalyan. I'm studying B.Tech Audio Tripling. Today we are discussing about some topic in HVA. We are discussing about some topics. Topics names are: what is over voltage protection, voltage surge, switching impulse to up, switching surge, methods of protection against lighting, that means earthings, overhead earth wires, lighting arresters, and surge dividers. We are going to topic. We are discussing about the over voltage productions. These are always such a chance of suffering in electrical power systems by abnormal over voltages. These abnormal over voltages may be caused due to various reasons, such as sudden interruptions of the high voltage loads, lighting impulses, switching impulses, etc. So many. So next one is, these are over voltage stresses may damage insulation. Insulation damages means heavy voltages will come. Obviously wires are damages of various equipments and insulators of the power systems all through. All the over voltage stresses are not strong enough to damage insulation of systems, but still these voltages also avoid the ensure of the smooth operation of the electrical power systems. Next point, these are all types of destructive and non-destructive abnormal voltages are eliminated from the systems by means of over voltages production. Next one is voltage surge. We are discussing about the next topic, over voltage surge. The over voltage stresses applied upon the power systems are generally transient in nature. Transient voltages or voltage surge is defined as a sudden changing of voltages of a high peak in very short duration. Voltage will be high, unexpectedly it will be high, goes on up and downs, interruptions in voltages occurs. The voltage surges are transient in nature. That means they exist for very short duration. The main cause of these voltage surges in power systems are due to lighting impulses and the switching impulses of the systems, but over voltages in the power systems may be also caused as by insulation failure, arcing, ground and resonance, etc. The voltage surges appears in the electrical power systems due to switching surge. Insulation failures, arcing grounds and resonance are not very large in magnitude. These overall voltages hardly cross the twice of the normal voltage level. Generally, proper insulation to the different equipments of the power systems is sufficient to prevent any damages due to these over voltages, but over voltages occurs in the power systems due to lightning is very high. If over voltage production is not provided to the power systems, there are high chances to suffer damages. Hence, all over voltage production devices used in the power systems mainly due to lighting surges. And next one is switching impulses or switching surge. When a no-load transmission line is suddenly switched on, the voltage on the line becomes twice of normal system voltage. This voltage is transient in nature. When a loaded line is suddenly switched off or interrupted, voltage across the line also has high enough current chopping in the system. Mainly during opening operation of the air blasting circuits breakers causes over voltages in the systems. During insulation failure, a live conductor is suddenly earthed. This may also cause sudden over voltages in the system. If EMF, electromotive force wave, produced an alternator is distorted, the trouble of resonance may occur due to fifth or higher harmonics. Actually, the frequencies of the fifth or higher harmonics is a critical situation in the systems. So appears that inductive reactance of the systems become just equal to capacitance reactance of the system. As these both reactance cancels each and other, the systems becomes purely resistivity. The phenomena is called resonance, and the resonance in the system voltage may be increased enough. But all these above mentioned reasons create over voltages in the system, which are not very high in magnitude. But over voltages such as appear in the system due to lightning impulses are very high in amplitude and higher destructive. The effective lightning impulses hence must be avoided from the voltage protections of the power systems. And another method is methods of protection against lightning. These are mainly three main methods are generally used for the protection against lightning. There are earthing screens, overhead earth wire, lightning arresters, or surge dividers. We are discussing the earth screen. Earth screen is a generally used over electrical substation in this arrangement. A net of GI wire. GI wire is a protection wire of the wire. Is mounted on the over the substation. The GI wires used to earth screens are properly grounded to the different substation stretches. This network is a grounded GI wire over electrical substations provides a very low resistance path to the ground from the lightning strokes. This method of lightning strokes means thunders. Next point, this method of high voltage production is very simple and economic, but the main drawback is it cannot protect the system but traveling wave which may be reached to the substation via different faders. And next one is overhead earth wire. The method of power voltage production is similar as earthing screen. The only difference is an earthing screen is placed over an electrical substation, whereas overhead earth wire is placed on overhead electrical transmission network. One or two standard GI wires are suitable cross section are placed over the transmission conductors. These GI wires are properly grounded at each transmission towers. The overhead ground wires or earth wires divert all the lightning strokes from the ground directly. Of the following them strike directly on the transmission line conductors. Next one is lightning arresters. The previously discussed two methods, that is earth screening and overhead earth wire, are very suitable for protecting an electrical power systems. But directed lightning strokes, but the system methods cannot provide any protection against high voltage travelings, which may through the line to the equipment of the substation. The lightning arresters is an devices which provides a very low impedance path to the ground from high voltage traveling waves. The concept of the lightning arrestor is very simple. The device behaves like a non-linear electrical resistance. The resistance decreases as a voltage increases to vice versa after a certain level of voltages. The functions of the lightning arresters or surge dividers can be listed as below. First point is under normal voltages level, these devices withstand easily the system voltages electrical insulator and provide non-conducting path to the system current. Second point is on accuracy of the voltage surge is the system. These devices provides a very low impedance path of the excess charges of the surge to the ground. After conducting the charges of the surge to the ground, the voltage becomes to a normal level and prevents against the insulation property and prevents further conductions of the current to the ground. Thank you for watching.